going to introduce the two main kinds of connectors, the outer connector and the inner connector. Overall, the outer connector is stronger, but the inner connector gives you more space to attach accessories and provides a sleeker design. The outer connector fits over the GF frame. Then, it clamps onto both frames as you tighten the bolt. The inner connector fits inside the GF frame. Then, it expands to clamp onto both frames. These basic connectors come in three different sizes: S for the 19mm frames, N for the 28mm frames, and G for the 43mm frames. You can find each connector's full information, including strength data, in the back of the GF catalog on our website at www.susamericainc.com. And of course, you can leave a comment here or email us at sales2@susamericainc.com.